Alright, Jake Phelps here, and I'm putting a new roof on this thing. It doesn't have to be pretty or nothing. It just has to keep the water out. Alright, and here's the top of it. Here's what I got so far. And in a second, I'll go ahead and show you my process. I'm starting from over there and working this way, and I'm not doing the end of it because I don't need to right now because it's not leaking there. So I mean, I might come back and do it later, but basically I spent $100 on materials, and I'll show you what I used. And I'm gonna do the whole freaking thing. This is big. It's like 30 foot by like 17, 18 foot, something like that. That's how much area I'm dealing with. And I left the end there up so that I can come back later and if I need to pop some of this stuff. I'll show you what it is. I paid like $5 something a sheet for it, for a 2 by 12 foot area each sheet. I paid like $5 something a piece, but I'll show you what it is, and I'll show you what nails I'm using. I'm using these nails. I'm using the Flex Seal just for extra stuff. But here's what they are. And here's what this stuff is. And it's very light. Very light. And it's blowing a little bit today. It's cold. But yeah, this is a quick way to keep water out. You got an old corrugated steel roof on an outbuilding or something. And I'll go ahead and go inside and show the top of this thing. Sandy S has just got home. She's gonna be like, "What are you doing?" As I climb down a ladder holding a phone. Alright, so here's the inside of this thing. From like tractors and the tractor exhaust. The holes are right where the tractor exhaust would have been. I mean, it's messing my tools up and it ain't good.
fixed?
No, not yet. It will be. I'm working on it.
You working on it?
Yeah.
I see you working on it.
Oh, really? What's that supposed to mean? Huh? Just because I'm not up there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Don't talk to you?
Yeah.
Why? Because why?
Because you're mean.
I'm not mean.
Stop following me around with that camera.